Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi friends, Merry Christmas, how are you? Hello. In today's video, I want to share with you how I recreate this, let's call it holiday glam look. So we are talking about makeup, hair and also nails. So yeah, if you want to learn more about these good things, then just keep on watching. Because I was mentioning about nails, and I do love to have a beautiful manicure, but unfortunately nail polish or regular nail polish doesn't last much on me. So when Madame Glam has contacted me a while ago and they asked me if I want to try their gel nail polish, I was more than thrilled to do so. If you don't know anything about me, I want to let you know that when I first started watching YouTube, the first thing that I was into was at the time nail polish and nail art. And even then, I think 10 years ago when I've started watching YouTube, I heard about Madame Glam. So I was more than excited. I just love this company and I was more than excited when they reached out to me. It was like a dream come true. They sent everything in this beautiful packaging. Hello glamorous, you are on board for amazing VIP manicure. So Madame Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. So how cute is that? Madame Glam is a clean company. All their nail polishes are 21 free formula and they also are HEMA free, they are cruelty free and vegan. So yeah, a lot of things to get in consideration when you are choosing a nail polish for use, and Madame Glam checks all those boxes. I'm going to do a unboxing showing you this at home manicure gel kit, and then I'm going to show you how I achieved my manicure. I took the footage last evening. Hopefully it was on focus. When I open it, there is a card which guides you how to apply your product. And this lamp was included in the set that I received. So this is the Madame Glam Mini UV LED lamp. And then we have here our nail polishes, but look at this box. It's cushioned, so it's very, very secured for traffic. So I never seen something like this. I have 3 nail polish colors. So I have this purple, which is called Old Habits, and you have the color of the nail polish on the top. Then we have the red polish, the one that I have used today, and this is the Ready Red. And another gel polish that I picked up and I didn't use it yet is the French Valley. So this is this, and you have the color here on top, and the same applies for the red and the purple as I previously mentioned. So those are the 3 gel polishes that are coming in this kit. And of course you are getting the soak off base coat, which is the first coat, the first step in your gel manicure routine, and the soak off no wipe top coat. Those are transparent, of course, but you have written on the bottle which is which. Now let's go and see how I recreated this manicure. As you can tell, I also did a small nail art. This is meant to be a small Christmas tree. I used a regular nail polish, and also I have added a few dots of that just to match my nails. But I'm going to guide you through the tutorial. can tell, I love how my nail polish, how my manicure came out, and I think there are some learning steps that I need to get familiar with. For example, I have added a bit too thick of a layers, but this is lesson learned for the next time. Madame Glam has a big sale right now on the website, and they do also send me a discount code for my subscribers, for my viewers. To redeem the discount, you should follow this link and introduce the discount code at checkout, where you will choose the option pay as you go if you don't want to become a VIP member. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. You are for sure going to see me wearing the other colors from Madame Glam. I'm very excited, and for sure I'm going to get more colors because I think I am now more into having my manicure lasting longer. I don't have so much time to do my nails, so I'm very happy to have at home my own gel manicure kit. Special thank you to Madame Glam for reaching out and for willing to send me the wonderful gel polish to try and share with you on my channel. I have started with the primer that I mentioned in my previous video, the one from Fenty Beauty, which I think gives a very nice canvas to begin with, and it's also helping and controlling oil production in case that your foundation is more dewy. And for foundation, I went with my Charlotte Tilbury, the Beautiful Skin Foundation, which is in the shade 3 Neutral. And I love this foundation because even though it's not very long lasting, it gives a nice and beautiful finish to my face, and I use it every time I want my skin look flawless. And recently I purchased from Cult Beauty, that haul will come later on my channel, the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This one, it's in the shade 4 Fair, and I have used this to conceal my under eye area. So first I used the sponge, and I could see that this is a little bit eating the product. So the next, on the second eye, on the right eye, I have used first the finger to tap the concealer, and after that after I have spread it, I have used the sponge, and I thought it's working better for that purpose. For my setting powder on my under eye area, because I am trying a new concealer, I wanted to use a powder that I know that is performing, so in case that the concealer is the problem, I will know for sure. That's why when I'm trying a new product, I usually don't switch the other products that are working for me or are working together or in conjunction with that product. I didn't show you on camera, but for my brows, I have used this brow pencil from It Cosmetics, which is by far one of the best I ever tried. This is a travel size. I think I got it last year or 2 years ago from Cult Beauty. It was in a set with the mascara, and it was a travel size, but this doesn't want to finish. It's something magic about this, because I use it so much, and I still have at least half of it to use it. Every time I use this brow product, I feel that I have a better brow day. And to fix the brow on place, after that I have used the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. It has become a tradition for me for holiday to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aina palette. And why is that? Is because I'm loving the shade here called Sponsored. So this is what I have applied on my eyes. I didn't want to take time to record the eye look, because that it would have made the video too long. And the other shades that I've used from this palette are the Ginger and the Credit as a transition, but I also used as a transition shade a few shades from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, because this palette has shades that are a bit on the darker side for my complexion, to use them as a transition. So what I have used from the Huda Beauty palette is the shade Momentum and the shade Crash. So I used those to serve for my transition on my upper but also on my lower lashes. On my inner corner I have used the shade Soleil, and for the outer V I used the shade Credit. And for the lower lashes, beside the base that I've showed you from the Mercury Retrograde, I have used the shade Big Wig, this purple matte shadow, and on top I have used the Shocking Stone, which is a very beautiful purple shade. And also I have used on my inner corner my Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon pencil in the shade Champagne Diamond. So I love to use this on my inner corner to brighten my eyes. And following by that, I went with the shade Soleil on my inner corner on top of that liner. For liner, I have used the NYX Epic Ink liner to define my wing. And for mascara, I have used the RMS Beauty, which is one of my favorite mascara at the moment. This is a clean formula mascara and I love it because it gives me length, definition, lasts all day, holds the curl and doesn't smudge. And also it has great ingredients. It has peptides, so it also condition your lashes as you go. Who doesn't love a mascara that does it all and it's also healthy? And also it's easy to remove it. For my bronzer, I've used, of course, one of my most favorite bronzer. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. And I wanted to show you that I'm very, very proud of me because I hit pan. So when I've showed you this as one of my most reach for products, I told you that I have a big hole, but it's not visible. And now the hole has become pan. So yeah, I hit pan. And of course I have used my loved Sonia G bronzer brush to apply because it gives a flawless application. So I absolutely love this brush for this purpose. I just adore it. And for my blush, I have used the Hinoki brush, also from Sonia G, and the Hermé Rose Hermé blush in the shade Rose Poimet. I forgot to mention that I have set my face after I have applied the foundation. I have set my face with the Fenty Beauty setting powder, which is a matte setting powder, and I have used this sponge to do so. And after that, to get rid of the cakey situation from the face, I have used those two powders from this Hourglass Ambient Volume 4 palette and this Referral brush number 24 to even out the skin. I love to do that every time I use a setting powder with a sponge. I feel that it cakes my face, but I do that in order to make my foundation last more. And also I used this setting spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I love the scent. It's a very nice coconut scent to set and also smooth the skin. And because I had this handy, I have used the highlighter from the same Hourglass palette with a Referral 20 brush to add a little bit of a sheen on the high points of my face. And finally, for my lips, I have used a combo from BK Beauty. So I have used the lip liner, the Everlasting lip liner in the shade Alter Ego, and it's matching perfectly with the same lipstick in the shade Passion. So those two are working perfectly together. And because the noise around me is starting to reach another level, I want to let you know shortly about the jewelry that I'm wearing. So I have the Ana Luisa necklace, the heart necklace, and the rings are also from Ana Luisa, and the earrings are from Huge Tomato. Actually, on the demo portion of the video, I have been wearing only the pearl part, and to glam up the look, I've added this. And because you have seen me with the band on my hair, and I forgot to mention that at the beginning when I started to show you what I'm wearing, that it's what I'm using to curl my hair every time I wash my hair and I put my creams and all the styling stuff. I roll up my hair, which is like half dried, and I roll it and I sleep overnight with that. And I do appreciate, and I want to thank you for all the lovely comments that you have left on my Wayne Gas video about the way my hair looks. So that video, it's the living proof of the how my hair looks after a night where I have roll it on that band. My hair is naturally curly, but it doesn't hold the curl when it's starting to get longer. And I think that's everything. I forgot to show you the perfume that I'm wearing for the holidays. I'm going to include it because I don't want to remove my mic now to get out and get the perfume. So it's by Gitano, and that perfume was a gift from my mom to me. She used to come every year for the holiday season and stayed with us for 2-3 months until the spring was racing. So yeah, this is the third or the fourth year. Yeah, this is the third year when my mom is not joining us on the holiday season, and that perfume reminds me about her. So yeah, I just love the scent. I never was matching my mom on fragrances, but that perfume is everything to me. I will also put the notes on the screen. I'm not sure if it is available to purchase it, maybe on Amazon or so, but if I will find a place where you can purchase from, I will definitely link it down below for you, because it's a perfume that works for the holiday season. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to check my description box for all the information that I have shared with you in today's video, and I want to wish you all a wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So see you soon with another video. Bye you guys! Mwah. And yes, I just love my nails.